Well, what do we have here? What's up everyone? In front of me right now is the new Dell XPS 15, which will be my new main laptop for everything in the next 5+ years, from engineering schoolwork to editing my future YouTube videos. I chose to get this laptop for a few very important reasons. First, many of you who have watched my videos for a while may be wondering why I got a Windows laptop instead of a MacBook because, well, I'm quite invested in the Apple ecosystem. The reason is that engineering applications like CAD and CAM software are most compatible or even exclusive to Windows PCs, which forced me to get one for school. Otherwise, I would have gotten a 14-inch MacBook Pro hands down. Second, the XPS 15 very much resembles a MacBook, which I definitely wanted. The build quality, the screen, the speakers, the trackpad, these are things on the XPS 15 that are very similar to a MacBook, and this is what I was looking for. And third, it's one of the few laptops out there that A, can charge on both sides of the laptop, and B, has an SD card reader as well, which, oh my goodness, I've been looking for so long. The unboxing experience of the Dell XPS 15 was probably my favorite unboxing experience of all time. The box itself opened up like a laptop to reveal the XPS 15 in all its glory, and I gotta say, this thing looks beautiful. Also in the box, we've got the involuntary paperwork, the power cable, the chunky 130-watt USB-C power adapter, and Dell even included a small dongle for USB-A and HDMI accessories. My first impression of the XPS 15 was that this thing is freaking heavy. It's around 4.2 pounds, but because it's in such a compact form factor, it makes it really dense to hold, but it makes it feel all the more high quality. The aluminum build, the chamfered edges, it just all feels so premium. And I like that I was able to open it up with one hand, and the inside looked so good with that carbon fiber keyboard deck and that absolutely massive trackpad. I can't wait to start using this laptop. And here are the specs that I got with my Dell XPS 15, and let's just say that I did not hold back with this, and it did not turn out to be a cheap laptop. I configured my XPS 15 with an Intel Core i7-12700H processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti GPU, 32 gigs of RAM, a 1TB SSD, and a Full HD Plus 1920 by 1200 display, with the final cost coming out to around 2,900 Canadian. Yes, this was not a cheap laptop, but I chose these specs with the intention of future-proofing myself for anything that I might be doing in the future. I chose the i7 CPU because the XPS 15 wouldn't be able to take full advantage of a more powerful i9. I selected the 3050 Ti because it was only a $50 upgrade over the regular 3050. The 32 gigs of RAM was because I was reaching the upper limits of 16 gigabytes already, and I upgraded to a 1TB SSD because I hated having to use external drives for editing. And with the display, I chose the default Full HD Plus screen because A, the 4K and the OLED screens drain much more battery, and B, the Full HD Plus screen satisfies everything that I need in a good display. Whether it be editing higher resolution videos or working with complex 3D models in CAD software in the future, I want my XPS 15 to be able to handle anything that I throw at it. And that's about it for this unboxing of my new Dell XPS 15. I will definitely have many more videos about this laptop in the future, and I will now be using it to edit all my videos on this channel from now on. So make sure you get subscribed so you don't miss any of those videos. As always, gently tap the like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell to be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.